The DJI Mini 5 Pro is set to make a major impact in the world of compact drones, offering an impressive combination of advanced features and ultra-lightweight design. It builds on the success of previous models, aiming to meet the needs of both beginners and professional filmmakers who want high-performance aerial capabilities in a small, portable package. One of the most talked about upgrades is its camera system. Industry chatter points to the inclusion of a 1-inch sensor and upgrade from the 3-inch sensor found in the Mini 4 Pro. This would mean better image quality, greater dynamic range, and improved low-light performance. It's also expected to support 4,000 video recording at 60 frames per second, with HDR options available, perfect for content creators looking to capture stunning footage. Flight time appears to be getting a significant boost as well. Leaks suggest the Mini 5 Pro could offer up to 50 minutes of airtime on a single charge, a noticeable jump from the 34-minute flight time of its predecessor. This longer battery life will allow users to shoot for extended periods without the hassle of frequent landings to swap batteries. When it comes to safety and navigation, the Mini 5 Pro may include a more sophisticated obstacle avoidance system. There are indications that it could incorporate LiDAR technology, enabling better environmental awareness and safer flying in challenging conditions. This would bring its capabilities closer to DJI's more advanced models like the Air 3 series. The drone is expected to stay within the sub-250g weight class, allowing it to bypass registration requirements in many countries. Despite its small size, it's rumored to feature more powerful motors for improved stability and performance, especially in windy conditions. As for smart features, the Mini 5 Pro is likely to include upgraded versions of familiar DJI flight modes such as ActiviTrack, QuickShots, and Panorama. These intelligent tools would make it easier for users to capture professional quality footage, even on the move. There's also talk of enhanced AI tracking that can more accurately follow fast-moving subjects, which would appeal to sports enthusiasts and filmmakers alike. Connectivity is another area where improvements are expected. The Mini 5 Pro may offer a transmission range of up to 25 kilometers, with a redesigned remote controller that's more ergonomic for prolonged use. This would contribute to a more immersive and user-friendly flying experience. While DJI has yet to make an official announcement, insiders suggest that the Mini 5 Pro could be released in mid-2025, potentially around June or July. Pricing is expected to start at approximately $990 for the base model, with premium bundles featuring extras like additional batteries and carrying cases possibly reaching up to $1,500.